just by replacing to the right nozzle, you could save a lot of money. As you can see, we have a 15 feet adjustable nozzle, and it's for spraying the walkway. So I'm gonna be replacing it for a 5 feet sprayer, which this is not an adjustable sprayer, which is gonna work better than this 15 feet adjustable sprayer. And I'm gonna install it so you can see it. Alright, so the way you do it is pulling out the nozzles, hold it here, and remove the nozzle just by turning it. And like I say, I have a 5 feet sprayer. I'm gonna install it here. Make sure the have some lines. The lines have to be facing the plant. In this case, the plant, and other cases could be the grass. As you guys can see, this 5 feet half circle nozzle, it's much better than that 15 feet nozzle.